being able to keep our equipment running on a regular basis is a testament to LNS product. I'm Mike Gorgas, Sales and Marketing Manager at Pequot Manufacturing. Pequot Manufacturing is a precision machining and sheet metal fabrication supplier. So we have many lathes and mills that we own 168 hours a week. This equipment ranges from $300,000 to $1 million. So it's really important to us to run that equipment as close to that 168 hours a week that we can. Not only do we like to do it, we have to do it. We have to do it to meet our customers' needs, to work around the clock or through the weekends as labor is scarce. The peripheral equipment to the unattended process is really important because we put a lot of time and effort into making the process of machining predictable so we can run unattended or lights out. We put a lot of effort into the programming, the tooling that we use, the speeds and feeds of the tooling that we use. So all that time and effort, it can take a week or a couple runs to get that to the point where it's able to run lights out. When things do not work, the whole system can stop in the middle of the night when nobody's here. And so that time that we need to run is just critical. Here at Pequot Manufacturing, we use LNS bar feeders, chip conveyors, filtering systems, high pressure coolant systems, and mist collectors. I would recommend LNS product to other companies because the product allows us to run unattended machining on a regular basis.